the sun comes out tomorrow? What if it never rains again? If the sun comes out tomorrow, what if it never rains again? I don't know how to tell you this time, but I'm taking it too far. I just need some help, time to take apologies for everything is wrong. And if the sun comes out tomorrow, what if it never rains again? And if the sun comes out tomorrow, and if it never rains again, I just need your apology. I'll take